Hello, my friends. I am today again here in YouTube. Today I am eating momos. My wife has prepared the delicious momos in house. Wow! See, and this is momo chutney, chutney for momo, tomato chutney and mint chutney. Wow! Mixing it with tomato and mint. Now eating. Mmm, very yummy, very tasty. Very tasty. Wow. We have purchased a steamer, momo steamer, and we are preparing the dumplings mixed with the mixing with onion and tomato. And while I mix this with the tomato sauce and mint chutney, taste has increased. Wow, yummy, very tasty. Yum, and check it out. This is my new office and my new cat. Now second momo, very tasty. Huge quantity of onion I have mixed. I'm preparing these all momos with my wife and tomato chutney I'm helping to prepare. Mmm, very delicious. Dumplings. Listen, I am foodie person. I like dumplings, onion-less momos, and when I help my wife to prepare the momos and any recipe like tofu, she also likes it very much. Okay, viewers, now I am eating this third momo. Mm. Third dumpling I am eating, very tasty. Wow. Mm. Very tasty. Wow. I like it. Now fourth dumpling I am eating. Actually, we have prepared 8 dumplings in momo steamer. One by one I am eating. I am telling you the taste. Super delicious. Mm. Very tasty. Very tasty. Generally, we also mix in grinder mixer. This tomato chutney, it's very delicious. We like three flavors: mint flavored chutney, tomato chutney, and coriander chutney. But right now, I'm making this tomato chutney with momos. Now, fifth momo I am eating. Wow. Now with mint chutney I am eating. Super. Sixth momo I am eating. Number 6. Mixing it with mint chutney and tomato chutney. Wow. My wife is very talented in making the food and preparing food. Wow, I'm helping her. And she is happy. Today I'm in my new cap and my new goggles. I'm feeling like I am sitting in the restaurant. The enjoyment of restaurant in home. What else we need? Very very tasty. We can mix it with maida, organic maida. Start with onion, tomatoes, and can eat with chutney. I have purchased the steamer. The steamer was my choice. Wow, and it's very advanced steamer. We can prepare the momos, dumplings in very within 15 20 minutes or 40 minutes, we can say, as per the size of momos we can decide. The last momo I am eating, 8th momo. Super tasty. I am very foodie person. Mint chutney is very tasty. In our new juicer, mixer, grinder we have purchased, it's a very tasty tomato chutney and mint chutney. I like tomato chutney also and mint chutney both. Sometimes a coriander chutney is also very delicious. In our newly purchased mixer, grinder, juicer. Wow. Okay, bye bye, my friends. Hope you like this vlog. Have a nice day. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe my videos, my vlogs. Bye bye.